ਹਾਂਜੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਕਲਾਸ।
Good morning, sir.
ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਯੋਰ ਐਲ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਕਲਾਸ। ਕਲਾਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਾਜੇ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਇੰਟਰੋ ਟੌਪਿਕਸ ਨੇਗੇ, ਆਪਾਂ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਟੌਪਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਟ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੇਜ਼ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰੀਫਰੇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਆਨਸਰ ਕਰਨੇ ਹੈਗੇ। ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਨਸਰ ਕਰੋਗੇ। ਸੋ ਫਰਸਟ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਗਗਨ। ਸੋ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਰਿਲੈਕਸ। ਡੂ ਯੂ ਲਾਈਕ ਟੂ ਰਿਲੈਕਸ yourself?
Yes, I love to relax my mind because sometimes I feel stressed.
Okay, what do you do to relax yourself?
I do various kind of things whenever I get relaxed. I like to listen music as well as playing outdoor games with my siblings.
Okay, do you like to visit any special place when you want to relax yourself?
Of course, I visit park whenever I feel stressed because whenever I feel relaxed, so I visited parks.
I visited a park. Okay, Sandeep. Third topic is shopping. Do you like to do shopping?
Yes, I like to do shopping because by shopping I have a great opportunity to purchase something special item for myself.
Okay, where do you visit to go for shopping?
I visit many places that are stones throw away from my house, and I usually visit a supermarket that is very close to my market.
Okay, do you like to buy expensive clothes?
Yes, I am interested in to shopping expensive clothes because it will give an attraction look to my personality.
Okay, Lovepreet. Do you like to go to hill stations?
Yes, sir, I like to go hill station in any occasions with my friends. I enjoy a lot of time with my friends.
Which is your favorite hill station?
My favorite hill station is Shimla. In this hill station, there are many beautiful views and easy way to get any accommodation.
Okay, with whom you like to visit your favorite hill station? With your family or friends?
I like to visit in hill stations with my friends because with my friends I enjoy very much and easily share anything about any topic.
Okay, Jasmeet. Do you like to read?
Definitely, I love to read diverse kind of books according to my preference.
Okay, how much time you regularly spend on reading?
Well, I usually spend the time on reading books in the evening time because I get enough time to read books.
Okay, which was the last book that you read?
I remember that a few weeks ago I read the book related to the Why God is Laughing. It is a very beneficial for me, and that time I come to know about how to become a successful person in their life.
Okay, do you like to read biographies?
Of course, I love to I have interest to read biographies in the different persons, and that time I come to know about
About their lifestyles, about their history. Okay, said Raman. Do you like to learn about history?
Yes, I am always fascinated toward learning new about history, and I always visit historical places.
Okay, have you ever visited to museum to learn history?
As I earlier mentioned, I am always excited toward learning about history, and I usually visited museum yesterday with my brother.
Okay, do you think history must be a compulsory subject in all schools?
Basically, the history plays part and parcel role in every person's life, and every person must learn history.
Okay, which is the main source from where you learn history?
I think there are various kind of sources where individuals usually learn about history. Mostly, I give preference to learning history on social sites.
Okay, Jaspreet. Do you like to visit street markets?
Yes, I give preference to street markets on weekends.
Okay, are there any special street markets in your city?
In my city, there are many street markets available. I mostly give preference Bagari street market.
Okay, which type of products do you like to buy from street markets?
I give preference to buy my basic things like clothes, watch, and shoes.
Do you like to buy expensive things?
It appears to me that there are many expensive things to buy. Which I want, like a laptop and a cell phone.
Okay, sir. Just leave. Do you like to go for picnics in your free time?
Yes, I give more preference to go for a picnic with my friends because that time I feel that.
Which is your favorite place when you choose for picnic?
I think the favorite place is a park because there I can do lot of activities.
Okay, what type of activities do you like to do there?
Mostly I give more preference to play badminton with my friends and.
Okay, how often you go for picnics?
I usually go for a big picnic on a weekends with my friends.
Okay, sir. Raghuveer. Do you like to read science?
Yes, I like to read science because of this we can understand this.
Which science subject is your favorite?
My favorite subject is physics because we can also knowledge about their weathers as well as
Okay. Is it an interesting subject?
Yes, I think it's a very interesting subject because due to this there are many different type of chemicals which is used in different type of water and I think there are many type of activities which is used for our
Okay, sir. Rafika. Do you like to use cell phone?
Definitely, I love to use cell phone because it is a good thing to stress less.
Okay, for what main purpose you usually use your cell phone?
According to my perception, I usually use the cell phone for many purposes like study purpose and chatting with my friends.
Okay. What type of application do you like to use on your cell phone?
Well, there are lots of applications I use in my cell phone, but most of I give a more preference to use WhatsApp app like chatting with my friends.
Okay, sir. Manpreet. Do you like to read news?
Yes, I love to read the news for getting the information about the surrounding.
Okay, which type of news you want to hear?
I give the preference to read the news related to trending news like sport, magazine and so on.
Okay, do you like to read paper-based newspapers or online news?
I give the preference to paper-based newspaper with the help of we can improve my reading skill and learn a lot of vocabulary words.
Okay, do you think reading newspapers helps us to improve our communication skills? Do you think reading newspaper helps us to improve our communication skills?
Definitely, with the help of reading, we can improve my communication skill.
Like by reading we can improve our fluency of reading. We get to know about many other words. Okay. What type of news do you usually read from newspaper?
I give the more priority to read the news like the political
About the political issues, about my favorite celebrities, about the different things happening in the world. Okay, say. Bubble. Do you like to play indoor or outdoor games?
I like to play outdoor games because I think it is the best way to move the tension worries.
Which type of games do you think are more beneficial, outdoor or indoor?
According to me, outdoor games are